Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your phone for beginners. First, ensure you have the Notion app installed on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your existing Notion credentials or sign up for a new account if you're just starting. Familiarize yourself with the mobile interface, paying attention to the sidebar for navigation and the quick capture button for adding new content on the go. This setup will get you ready to organize your life efficiently. Navigating your Notion workspace on your phone is straightforward. You can easily access all your pages and databases by tapping the sidebar menu, usually found on the left. If you need to find something specific, the search bar is incredibly powerful and will help you locate any content quickly. Plus, creating new pages or adding entries to your databases is simple, allowing you to keep your information updated from anywhere. Notion's mobile app offers essential features for productivity. You can easily edit text, add various blocks like to-do lists or images, and format your content to keep it organized, all while you're out and about. The quick capture feature is perfect for jotting down notes, tasks, or sudden ideas before they slip away. Furthermore, sharing pages and collaborating with team members or friends is seamless, making teamwork efficient from your device. To maximize your mobile productivity with Notion, consider customizing your dashboard. Arrange your most important pages for quick access, saving you valuable time. Also, take advantage of Notion widgets. They provide instant access to specific content directly from your home screen. Remember, a smooth workflow makes a big difference. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for those, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.